Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable immersive audio on HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. To use this feature, you're gonna have to connect a pair of Bluetooth earphones or a Bluetooth speaker to your device. It's best if you are using the HUAWEI speakers or headphones. Then you have to open Settings and go to Sounds and Vibration menu. Now in this menu you have to scroll down to HUAWEI Histen and Sound Effects, and here switch the audio to 3D audio, which will simulate the depth of 3D sound field for immersive listening. And then you just have to select one of the 4 available presets and just choose whichever you like the most. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.